Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at innovative industrial properties. Now, this company is in the pot industry. They don't grow it. They buy and lease land for those who do, and that's a pretty good business to be in, okay? It's a really good business. I'd rather own this than any of the pot stocks themselves. And so if we look at this here, first of all, you get almost a 4.2% yield, and you compare that to the treasuries, and I'd say 4.2 is pretty good. And so I like the way the stock's trading. It is in a like kind of a triangle pattern, kind of a flat triangle right there. And so this is a pretty easy trade. The company, I'm not saying it's necessarily profitable. I think it will be, but just take note. There's a difference between easy and a guaranteed profit. This is not that. I don't know of one trade that there is a guaranteed profit. We're all speculators here. But the top here today is $100.44. This stock moved up today on pretty big volume that was larger than we've seen in the last few weeks, right? And so that's a good thing. I look at this stock and it just feels to me like it's under accumulation. You'll see how it's traded up here on the 15-minute chart over the last few days. So this is what I'd be doing. I would set an alert, or you can even set a buy stop. Set a buy stop at $100.50. That gives the stock just a few pennies to run before you get hit. Or you can just set yourself an alert. Just set an alert there, and then that'll take care of it. But the bottom line is this stock's been trending sideways for so long that I think a nice move to the upside should lead look, I'll say at least a 10% move, maybe more, but we'll start at 10% and then just go from there, okay? All right, that's it. I'll see you guys next time.